Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth with cubes. Broth cubes are a convenient way to create flavorful liquid for your cooking. Simply dissolve them in hot water. They are concentrated blocks of flavor, perfect for soups, stews, and sauces. Each cube typically yields about 2 cups of broth, making meal preparation quick and easy. Just follow the package directions for the best results. Making broth from cubes is straightforward. First, bring the specified amount of water to a boil. Once the water is hot, carefully drop in your broth cube. Use a spoon or whisk to stir continuously until the cube completely dissolves. This ensures an even distribution of flavor throughout your broth. It's a quick process, usually taking less than 1 minute. While broth cubes offer great flavor, you can easily enhance it. Consider adding fresh herbs like parsley, thyme, or bay leaves while the broth is still warm. Sautéing aromatic vegetables such as diced onions, carrots, or celery before adding the broth can also deepen the taste. A small pinch of salt and pepper can further elevate the overall flavor profile. Your freshly made broth is ready to use in any recipe requiring liquid, from gravies to casseroles. If you have leftovers, allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. You can safely refrigerate it for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze the broth, where it will remain good for several months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.